Hi, my name's Dean Black. I have a company on the Gold Coast called Rightwood Decking Materials. We met Kira and her team at a 3-day retreat in Surfers Paradise, probably over 2 months ago now. We are so glad that we went with her team. We have generated so many new leads with her Facebook marketing strategies. I'm not a big tech person, and I'm so glad that their network and their helping hand has allowed us to understand better the possibilities and the scope of where you can go with your business. We are being bombarded with leads on a daily basis. We've won a couple big contracts to supply on the Gold Coast. Some are, a couple over $10,000, $15,000, and that's just getting started of what's coming. So we're sending out sample packs constantly. Just lead generation has been amazing. So I would thoroughly recommend Kira and her team. And just one more thing I want to say too is that every time we've been confused with what's going on or it's not making sense to us, we just get on the phone, the support network's there, and that's what we really were impressed with. So I would thoroughly recommend Kira and her team, and we're very excited about what's going to happen on the coming months. So there you go. Thanks.